Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Justin. Today, I honestly have no idea what it is that we're doing, but I do know it's got to be something super cool or top secret or something brand new, because I wasn't told I was being sent this. I went to my mailbox, package from RPM Powersports. I'm really interested to see what this is. Jason didn't reach out to me and say, hey, we're sending you anything, or hey, can you make a video on this? Literally just opened my mailbox and there it was. So let's can you see this? V2, RPM blow-off valve V2. Let's go do an overhead shot for unboxing. Okay. So I got this RPM blow-off valve V2. I scanned that. It says the video is not available. I'm guessing it's just not out yet. I haven't checked on the website to see if any of this is on there or available for sale as of yet. Once it is, you can use my code, which is Justin the Creator. Save 5% off. So here we are. I'm just going to pull everything out first. A lot of this stuff is similar. Same kind of filter, same kind of outer filter, outer screen, same kind of plug, same kind of tube, zip ties, seals, all that good stuff. This, I think, is where things get way different. Yeah, look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Wow. I love this up top, how this spins. Yep, this is just gorgeous. RPM, you have outdone yourselves once again. So let's get some B-roll of this, and then let's take the old one off and compare the two.
Lightning like Steve McQueen. I'm in the fast lane when the light turns green. And I built tough, I ain't nothing but grit. Cause I made rugged blood, sweat, and spit. Yeah, like a horse I fly. Better brace yourself in for a bumpy ride. I like to play hard, but I work harder. And I weather the storm cause I'm built stronger. I was born to run. I was built to last. I was made for speed. Cause I was born fast.
Okay, so here we have the RPM BOV V2. If you already have V1, it's going to be a really simple change out for you. Grab a flathead screwdriver. We're going to go back there. We're going to pull the V1 off. We're going to compare the two. We're going to put the V2 on and then go test it and see what she sounds like. Okay, gonna switch on over to the GoPro for a second. There's the old one. Pull that off. I'm gonna loosen up that clamp right there, and then this will just pull right on out. Pulls right out. And there we the V1. So let's go compare the two. Size-wise, they're really about the same. Not much different there. We're going to place the filter on this one. We'll tighten this down, reinstall this, reconnect the hose that runs from this to the plenum. That's about it. Put the screen on there.
Install this guy right here. Oh, yeah. Always, every time.
What am I supposed to do? You want me to hold that for you?
No.
If you're gonna film, get my shoes. They're Moo shoes.
Those are so nice.
Thanks. Do you want me to?
Somebody who really loves you must have bought them for you.
Yeah, myself.
I bought them. What are you talking about? Anyway, what do you need?
I think I just came out to gossip.
Oh. Well, get in there. I gotta finish this video.
Okay.
Love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Sorry about that. So we'll just reinsert that there. See kind of what it looks like from the top. We got a filter just kind of up here and out of the way. And see what's nice about this is we can spin this right around there. Actually, to make it easier, I'm gonna spin it around here. And we're on there. I gotta tighten this down. By this, obviously, I mean the clamp that holds the off out in the charge tube. All right. And now we're on there. So let's see what she sounds like. Okay, so we got her fired up. And getting ready to stick the GoPro. I'm gonna try to get a different, new, weird kind of angle. So you can actually see the blow off valve while we're going. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we're gonna try it. Alright, the weather looks like it might be turning a little bad. I got the GoPro back there. I'm just gonna use my phone to get my initial reaction of how it sounds. Let's go for a quick rip. Okay, instead of getting my whole big camera and stuff back out, I'm just going to go ahead and end things on the GoPro. So thank you for tuning in. If you haven't yet, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you want to see on future videos. I do have one coming up for these.
the CFMoto storage bags.
And let me tell you, they are fantastic. We'll get into that in another video. RPM Powersports, if you use the code Justin the Creator, all spelled out, all together as one word, you'll save 5%. Go on over there, grab you one of the new V2s, show those guys some love, and I appreciate each and every single one of you, and we will see you in the next one.